I think at ideas, every person is very important. Every person is coming up with new idea, new passion, and that willingness of doing something. And even the student who are a part of ideas, they want to learn something new every day. And this new minds, new young tutors that uh, we are getting at ideas, they bring fabulous energy, they bring fabulous new trends, new knowledge, and fresh ideas, which is very, very needed for teaching this new generation. Because definitely these people are different. Gen Z is different, their need is different, their idea of expression is different. The world they will be building for themselves or for other people will be definitely very different, very advanced. And I think for that we need some young minds around them all the time. And I think at ideas we have adopted this very well, and naturally some great young people are joining in, and we are very happy about it. And I think that is bringing a freshness in our campus, in our teaching, in our L2 studios, L3 studios, and whatnot. Software. At my times, I remember that whatever software were introduced, it was a new era wherein computer just came in and new softwares were coming in, but we were all dependent on classes happening outside the institution. It was not the part of our institution education or college education. But here we definitely get a lot of practitioners, a lot of experts who are learning new softwares, new skills, and we are getting them here. And students are very, I think they are very fond of this young batch of faculty because of maybe their energy and their new knowledge and all that. So this newness is there in our teaching. This transition actually happened because of this new way of the system that we got in, um, L2, L3, and all that. Because experts from outside are coming in, and they are coming in with this new knowledge, and they want to take their studios to some big level. There is a very good competition happening between the tutors. This is something new, this doesn't happen in any other institution. Having a good competition amongst the professional is also a good thing. इसमें बेनिफिट जो होता है वो स्टूडेंट्स का होता है, आई थिंक सो. They are always curious about what new studio they some tutor is coming up with. And we are also very much excited to float something new, always something new and something unique. And for that every tutor is studying a lot. They are they are getting all the original ideas. ऐसा नहीं है कि कहीं पे कुछ देखा and just superficially उसको यहाँ पे float कर दिया. No, they are doing a lot of research for it. What all requirements are there for this kind of design module? They are doing all their homework, and they are coming with all that expertise, requirements which are like which are there. So they're fabulous. I think this energy you'll find nowhere